हेलो एंड वेलकम रेडियो जिंदगी लिसनर्स सुन रहे हैं आप 1550 एएम पर द साकेत भाटिया एस्ट्रोलॉजी शो जहां आप मिलते हैं डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया से हु इज इंटरनेशनली रिनोन्ड एस्ट्रोलॉजर एंड आल्सो हैज अ पीएचडी इन एस्ट्रोलॉजी. He is a certified numerologist as well. Do connect with him if you have any questions regarding astrology or numerology. He has 25 years of experience in the field of astrology and has more than 12,000 plus satisfied clients globally. He is also a senior board member of International Association of Vedic Astrology and Numerology. And Dr. Saket Bhatia has been recently awarded by Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his knowledge and guidance in the field of astrology. His clients include the top industry leaders, film stars, politicians, and many, many more. Dr. Bhatia gives great advice on various aspects of your life, including career, finance, business, health, by analyzing position of planets at the time of your birth. So definitely get benefited with this opportunity right at your, I would say right at your radio set. कॉल कर सकते हैं आप शो के दौरान इफ यू हैव एनी क्विक क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग एस्ट्रोलॉजी और न्यूमरोलॉजी. 5107701550. That's the studio line number. You can give us a call for a quick question. If you would like to connect with Dr. Bhatia for a detailed consultation, directly call कीजिए आप उन्हें 408-639-5300 पे. वेबसाइट है उनकी saketbhatia.com. ईमेल कर सकते हैं info@saketbhatia.com. With that, let's begin our show today. Hello and welcome.
Hi Vedika, how are you?
Wonderful. आप बताइए.
I'm doing well. Welcome to all the listeners of Radio Zindagi. It's always nice to come every Wednesday or Tuesday, talk about astrology,
जी.
get to know people, get to answer their questions. It's fun. अच्छा लगता है. हर हफ्ते हम आते हैं, आप हमें कुछ questions पूछते हैं, तो इस time I'm going to ask you some questions.
जी, go ahead.
So, just out of curiosity, right? Tell me, when you look up in the sky, you see the sun, you see the moon. Unke baad, what is the other brightest star or planet?
Venus. That's the one we see commonly.
Okay. What is the first thing that you see in the sky after sun and moon? जैसे ही sunset होता है, what is the first thing you see besides the moon?
That's Venus.
And जब sunset होता है या sunrise होता है, what is the last thing that you see?
Venus.
Why?
It's the brightest.
It's the brightest and it's actually one of the उसकी story थोड़ी अलग सी है.
Okay.
So what I want to do today is हम last week हमने Jupiter की बात की थी and one of the things I wanted to do was extend that topic of Jupiter. हम थोड़ा सोचते थे कि let's discuss the charts of some influential popular people also so that way listeners can get an idea and say okay इनकी chart में ये है, हमारी chart में potential है. So how do we become like the person we admire or the person we want to be like?
Interesting.
How can we do that?
जी.
But I got lots of emails that said, hey, Venus के ऊपर बात कीजिए because many people will talk about sun, moon, many talk about Jupiter. Very few talk about Venus. Mercury के बारे में सब बात करते हैं, business है, communication है. But why not talk about Venus? तो Venus की थोड़ी सी history बात करते हैं. Astrology में क्या कहते हैं कि both Venus and Jupiter, both of these studied under, they're considered to be sort of like individuals, na? They studied under the same guru. And the guru was basically the father of Jupiter. And उनका नाम था अंजिरासा. Okay. तो अंजिरासा ने क्या किया है कि he gave them equal education. Both were extremely brilliant, extremely smart. And उन्होंने बोला कि one of you has to be the sort of the teacher to the gods and the other has to be the teacher to the asurs.
Okay.
So Venus became the teacher to the asurs. And that's why Venus is called Shukra or Shukracharya, the teacher of the asurs. So why is Venus associated with asurs? Asur is not considered a good thing, right?
Yeah.
देखिए, asur deals with comfort. It deals with
Luxury,
romance.
yeah.
It deals with luxury. So this is why Venus is the planet of luxury, beauty, comfort. So it's important. देखिए, without Venus, your life would be incomplete. Because Venus is the planet of fulfillment. I'll try explaining this in a better way. आपको life में कुछ करना है. Let's say any task you want to do. Let's say you want to go build a house. अच्छा, for that you have to first think Can I do it? If you can, that is the sun. Sun कहता है, it is me that will build this house. Moon is your mind. How are you going to build the house? What does the house have to look like? कैसे बनाना है? किसके लिए बनाना है? That is moon. The hard work you will put into building the house with your hands is Saturn.
Okay.
Okay. Mars जो है, that is action oriented. कहाँ से क्या खरीदना है? How to assemble it together. So working is Saturn, assembling is Mars. Okay. Then the other planet that's important is Mercury. कितने में बनेगा, कितने में बिकेगा, कैसे रहेंगे, इसकी इकोनॉमिक्स कैसी है. And finally जब घर बन गया, does it look good? Are you happy with it? Is it giving you content, fulfillment? That is Venus. See, every planet plays a role in your life, in what you want to achieve. Without Venus, there is no happiness. Without Venus, there is no partner. Without Venus, there are no kids. So if you want fulfillment in life, you need to have a strong Venus. Think of Venus as an individual who has the charm, the charisma, all that stuff that it has to offer. Now when that becomes very less, then they become extremely dependent on you. They're dependent on you for their livelihood, they're dependent on you for living. If it becomes very strong, they tend to flaunt their personality to other people. So Venus can have its flip sides. Too much dependency or too much flaunting. The middle part is what we want. हमें decently strong Venus चाहिए. Venus is a planet which is exalted in Pisces. Because Pisces is a sign that relaxes. Virgo, when you go through the zodiac, Virgo is the sixth sign.
Okay.
Sixth sign zodiac में काम का घर होता है. The house you will work in. And because it is the sixth sign, the house of work, Venus doesn't do well there. He wants luxury, he wants comfort, he doesn't do well in the sign of work. So for all the people, when you see an actor, an actress, good looking people, famous people, people who have lots of cars, boats, yachts, that's Venus.
Okay.
Okay, but Venus also tends to divert you from the ultimate goal in life, which is spirituality. एक side पे you have a sadhu who is willing to leave everything, his family, his house, and live a pious life, very calm, quiet life. On the other hand, you have flamboyant person who has all the luxuries, वो Venus होता है. Venus खराब नहीं है, पर ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए. We need a balance of all the planets. So Venus is a diplomatic planet. People who have a strong Venus don't fight.
Oh, okay.
Think of, consulate generals. Think of people who are in positions of power, not politicians, but leaders या उनके advisor. अभी हमने cabinet position discuss की थी. Remember? We said sun is king,
Yes.
queen is moon. Jupiter is advisor to the king. Venus is the minister
Okay.
who tries to form the balance between the king, everybody else, So Venus is an interesting planet. आज Venus की ही बात करेंगे. We know Venus gets directional strength, which means if it is placed in the fourth house, वो strong हो जाता है.
Okay.
Fourth house is property.
Property.
तो वहाँ खुश है वो. अगर आपका Venus 10th house में है, तो उल्टा चला गया. तो there's a rule in astrology कि जब planet उल्टे घर पे चला जाता है, then योग नहीं बना सकता powerful. So that is something to remember. Venus causes lots of disease. Venus gives lots of luxuries. We'll discuss all that today. Just Venus. And agar time mila, we'll try discussing some famous people's chart. Why Venus is so strong for them. People, I had lots of calls in the show in New York. हमारी शादी नहीं हो रही. It's Venus. Retrograde है कि Venus क्या है. So Venus is very close to the sun. जब हम कुंडली बनाते हैं, Venus is never more than 2 houses away from the sun. He's close ना to the sun.
Yeah.
तो जहाँ sun होगा, 2 घर दूर maximum Venus होगा. That's one. The second thing you'll notice is Venus almost takes about a year to go through the chart. And he goes retrograde after 18 months. और 6 हफ्ते के लिए retrograde रहता है.
Okay.
Retrograde doesn't mean it moves backward, it just means it appears to move backward. So
backward.
these are some critical fundamentals astrologers must follow and understand. Venus is the planet of fulfillment. वो fulfillment कैसे मिलेगी? Whether it is through your life, through your spouse, through your children, through your work, वो कहाँ से मिलेगा? काफी लोग कहते हैं, I am trying to start a business, हो नहीं रहा. They're not happy in their work. Look at Venus, that fulfillment is not there. There are some people who are so content in their job, no matter what you do, you tell them, भाई, do something bigger, do something better. ना हमें नहीं करना. Why? हम खुश
They're
हैं.
content. Yes.
They're content. That is Venus.
Okay.
Focus on Venus, important planet. People don't discuss much about Venus because there's not much to discuss about it. छोटा सा topic है, but it's still so important, right?
Right. So we have a caller waiting. Can we quickly take the call?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hi there. My question is about my daughter, and her details are February 12, 2009. She's born at 8:10 in the morning in Redwood City, California.
Could you repeat that again a little bit? So she's born at 8:10 in the morning?
Yeah,
8:10.
8:10, and
Okay.
her date of birth is 12th February 2009,
Okay, so she's
Redwood City.
she's
Redwood City.
yeah, समझ गया. So daughter, female, February 12, 2009, 8:10 in the morning, Redwood City, California. So what is your question for your daughter?
My question is, she's not able to, retain strong friendship. और उसको किसी भी चीज में सक्सेस नहीं मिलता है. I mean, for example, if she's doing the same work as somebody else, और उससे भी अच्छा काम करेगी तो उसको कोई अवार्ड नहीं मिलेगा, कोई रिकॉग्निशन नहीं मिलता है. But mainly I think is she doesn't have a strong friendship. उसके friends 3-6 महीने तक रहते हैं. It's not that she doesn't make friends. She makes a lot of friends, but they are not constant in her life. So it's causing a lot of, stress.
देखिए, you're focusing on the short-term picture. Let's focus on the chart of your daughter, if you don't mind. तो आपकी daughter की जो chart बनती है, she's an Aquarius ascendant. Aquarius में ascendant is at 24 and sun is sitting straight there at 0 degrees. जब odd sign में sun 0 degrees पे बैठता है, तो we do understand the sun becomes little weak. Your daughter has a good personality. I wish you had asked me something different, like what her career would be. But let's talk about friendship, right? आपकी daughter की जो birth है, that's important. She was born on a Thursday. Okay? Thursday का जो ruling planet होता है, that is Jupiter. There's a reason I'm saying this. Galika Mandi are sitting in her third house. Third house is the house of friendship. The planet Mars, although exalted, the planet Mars जो है, इनका जो रूलर है यहाँ का, वो exalted है, Jupiter के साथ बैठे है, Jupiter debilitated है. That will cause loss of friendship. जब जब Mars की दशा आएगी या Jupiter की दशा आएगी, your daughter is going to suffer friendship. But that दशा ends in 2025 November. उसके बाद राहु की जो दशा आती है, Rahu is going to be like Saturn. Rahu is going to act like the 12th lord, which is again Shani. I think between that time and 2042, her friendship is only going to grow. There's no damage to her friendship at all. Absolutely none.
I didn't quite understand.
I'll try making it easier for you.
Okay, yeah, please.
Her planets are placed such that friendship is ruled by the 3rd house and the 10th house. I mean 11th house. 11th house का lord debilitated है, means very weak. 3rd house का जो lord है, he is sitting in the 12th house, which is the house of loss. Yes, he is exalted, means extremely strong, but he is under the influence of bad planets. Your daughter's friends last, but they're not going to last for too long, like you said. That dasha is going to change. Starting November 2025, a better phase of her life kicks in. She identifies herself. She improves self-reliance in herself. Her life is going to change for the better in 2025. Just hang in there for 1 year and 7 months. You'll see a big difference in her personality. You don't have to worry about anything here.
Okay. So वो पितृ दोष तो नहीं है ना?
Dosh, Pitra Dosh is my least worry. My worry is इनका Jupiter, Mercury and Sun both are Shad Balas नीचे है. That becomes an issue. You can call offline, we can talk. She has some yogs that are very strong, but she has some yogs that are not good. किसी की भी कुंडली perfect थोड़ी होती है. And Pitra Dosh, like some people say, Pitra Dosh है, but that's not a concept of astrology. It's a concept which was introduced later. What I mean is बहुत सालों बाद क्या था कि okay, ये है. I don't see any problem in this chart, okay? None.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much for your call. We have another one waiting. Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hello, Dr. Bhatia.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay. I just have a general question, Dr. Bhatia. So one is when Venus basically is an exchange within planetary exchange with Mars, and if Venus is sitting and exchanging with Mars in the second house, the second and third house ka parivartan, how does one's life turn out to be?
So let's assume Venus and Mars का परिवर्तन second third house का है. Second house is what?
Yeah.
You tell me.
Second house is for family or for speech.
We call it more of wealth and values. It is truthfulness, the nature, the way you speak, how much money you will make, how you will provide for people, right? Third house is
Right.
younger siblings. It is also the house, courage, correct? Hobbies and friends. अब परिवर्तन आ गया. The first thing you have to see is, although परिवर्तन है, tell me Venus and Mars किस घर के मालिक हैं? Are they lords of any other bad planets? Are they lords of 6, 8, 12, 11? How are they placed?
Mars is going to be, for Virgo ascendant, I think Mars is going to be looking at its 8th house when it is exchanging with Venus in the 3rd house.
So then definitely some 8th house influence will come in. It hurts that dosh. But to answer your question in a very crystal clear, easy manner, जब second and third का interchange हो between Mars and Venus, Mars is the planet of action, Venus is the planet of fulfillment. Third house is the planet of what you want, what your hobbies are. And second is what money you'll make. So I can safely say if you gather the courage to follow your hobbies, to follow your passion, you will make money. That is the cycle in your life. एक चीज याद रखना, परिवर्तन योग is a lifelong lasting योग. It is a dasha independent योग. Okay? तो दशा आती है जाती है, परिवर्तन योग doesn't change. It's always there. Follow your passion, follow your hobbies. If it is 8th house, come to me, become an astrologer. Astrology is 8th house, remember? It's also other people's money. Do accounting, become a CPA. Do that stuff, you'll make money. You'll get fulfillment, you'll provide for your family, you'll provide for others, okay?
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thanks for your call. Another one. Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Yes, Dr. Bhatia, this is Vivek. I have a question about my job. Like, I'm looking for like a software engineering job, but since the last 6 months, actually, I haven't yet gotten it. So I was wondering if you can tell like when I can get that job.
Let's try. What is your date of birth?
August 15. Sorry, December 14, 1977.
किसी ने बोला no. December 15th, 1997.
No, December 14, 1977.
अच्छा, December 14th, 1977. Okay.
हाँ.
And your place of birth?
Place of birth is Sri Madhupur, India. Rajasthan.
Oh, Rajasthan तो वेदिका बोल देती थी. Vedika is very good at geography. Right, Vedika?
Absolutely.
And what is your time of birth?
9:06 a.m.
09:06. Can you repeat the city again, Sri?
Shri Madhupur.
Sri Madhupur.
Okay. Sri Madhupur. Okay. चलो ये बन गई chart. What questions do you have? Just about your job, right?
Yeah, about my job.
So you've been searching. Do you have a job right now? Or you're looking for one, because you could be looking when you already have a job, right?
Yeah, but that's not the case. Like I lost it 6 months ago, and I have given some interviews, but it didn't go through.
Okay.
So then now I'm really anxious, like when I'll be getting one, because it's been quite a bit since I've been trying.
Okay. So let's start. Okay. Your chart. You're a Sagittarius ascendant. Jupiter is your ruling planet. वो retrograde चला गया है. But उसकी शत बाला strong है. आपके 10th house में राहु बैठा है. That house is ruled by Mercury. Yes, Mercury is also retrograde in this chart. One thing I must tell you is when I see 3 retrograde planets like Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, sometimes people get a little negative thinking. They get little upset, they get little discomforted. कुछ हो नहीं रहा. But that's not the case in your chart. Saturn dasha chal rahi hai. Saturn is lord of money and Saturn is lord of hobbies like second and third house. Jupiter currently will make a transit within the next 1 to 2 weeks in the 6th house, which is house of service, where you're going to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. His 5th aspect falls directly on your 10th house, which is your house of work. You should get a job within 1 year. Now we're going to go fine tune this a little. Okay. 6th June 2024, a very good time should start for you for a job. Between that and November 23rd, I am almost certain you will get a job. Okay?
Okay.
So go out. You should get a job between 6th June and 23rd November 2024. That's it.
And also, are you able to tell if I will get a good software job? Like, because there are many kind of jobs roles I have applied for. Because I tried software for like 6 months, didn't get anything. So I'm thinking of looking for some alternate jobs.
Don't
but
look for alternate. Don't look for alternate. You should get a software job.
Okay.
Mercury का planet है. Mercury की अंतर्दशा चल रही है. Saturn, Mercury are friends. They're 5 houses away. Your Saturn, however, is retrograde in the 9th. जब ऐसा होता है, it causes delay in creativity, delay in children, delay in everything in life. So fix that retrograde Saturn in this chart. Overall, अच्छा है. Just give it another few months. Start looking now. At least you should get interviews coming in the next 1 month and 20 days or so.
Okay. And also, like, should I pour some oil on Shani Maharaj on Saturdays to help?
It's not going to help you. शनि की दशा अभी start हुई थी 2023 में. The first half is going to be 10th house, the second house, the next half is going to be the third house. The lord of second will always give results of third. वहाँ गलिका मंडी बैठा है. That's going to create some problems. If at all you want to do, you should make your Jupiter stronger. He is the key planet. Or you should make your sun stronger. That is what you need to do, not your Shani stronger. That's not going to help.
Okay.
We can talk more if you want, okay?
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you so much for your call. I see that you have more questions. आप definitely Dr. Saket Bhatia को directly call कीजिए 408-639-5300. Listeners, you're listening to the Saket Bhatia Astrology Show on Radio Zindagi. You can connect with him through the website saketbhatia.com, first and last name saketbhatia.com, or you can email him info@saketbhatia.com. Today we are talking about Venus, but if you have any question regarding astrology or numerology, you can give us a call. Studio lines are open. 510-770-1550. That's the studio line number. You can give us a call. And if you are asking any astrology related question, be ready with the date, time and place of birth. Once again, the studio lines are open and the number is 510-770-1550.
I think 6 महीने में आप भी एस्ट्रोलॉजी काफी समझ गए हो.
बहुत
I'm
बहुत
pretty sure when they
तो
call.
आप बोल रहे थे यू वर ऑफरिंग कि किसी का 8th हाउस में अगर है परिवर्तन योग तो आइए मुझे बुलाइए आप. आई कैन बी अ ग्रेट शागिर्द फॉर यू.
Actually, you can start now when people call.
जी.
Maybe next call you can take.
नहीं मुझे लोगों के भविष्य की बहुत चिंता है. लेट मी गिव इट टू द एक्सपर्ट. अ पर्सन हु हैज मोर देन 25 years of experience is sitting right next to me. How can I take the charge? So we have couple of calls. Can we take the calls quickly?
Yes, we can.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hi, Dr. Bhatia. I have a question for my husband.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. His date of birth is 24th Feb 1975.
February 24th, 1975. Okay.
Place of birth is Ganor, which is near Sonipat, India.
Which state is that in?
I'm sorry,
Which state is that in?
Haryana.
Haryana. And what is the time of birth?
It's about 4 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. Chalo, so we got his chart. February 24th, 1975, 4 o'clock in the morning in Haryana, Sonipat, right?
That's correct.
And what is the question?
The question is about job satisfaction or content, as you were talking about, right? There's some people who are happy with what they're doing, even if it's less or more, while some are looking for additional responsibilities, and so they're not content with their work. what do you see in terms of career prospect for him?
So what does your husband do right now? Because he's got Mercury, Mars, which is the planet of action, the planet of business, software, that sits in the second
He
house.
is in the So he is into software engineering.
But he has Sun, which is the planet of ambition, sitting in the third house, which says I should start something. So what does he want? What is it that you're looking for? Does he want to start something? Because that is his desire. Third house में जो planet बैठते हैं वो बढ़ जाते हैं. So are you
He is thinking of switching jobs, but his current job is still keeping him. He's still tied to his current job, but he's not sure if he should look outside or maybe internal transfer in the group, because I think it's all coming from the fact that he's not content.
No, he should be content. His Venus is in the fourth house. Its directional strength is extremely high. It is sitting with Jupiter in its own house, and Venus is exalted in Pisces. Navam's chart में it is debilitated. What that means is जब planet इतना strong होके Navam's chart, which is what you make out of it, it is debilitated. It still has a lot of its strength left. He needs to change his mindset. He needs to change his approach. His Jupiter is exalted. So I can tell you one thing, he can make his life very successful if he wants. The error he's making is he's working for someone. 2027 March, Sun की दशा आती है. That is a dasha, the luckiest dasha of his life will start. And Sun की जो dignity है, वो great enemy में है. So he's going to struggle, but he can start something of his own. He should not be working. If your husband wants to work, that's his choice. He can look for a job in the next 2 to 3 weeks. He will definitely get promoted. That 1 year starting next 2 weeks will be phenomenal for your husband. Everything is aligned very well between, like I said, let's say mid-May all the way down till mid-May of 2025. He can get a transfer, he can get another job, nothing will stop him. But why? When he can do something of his own. He needs to reconsider. Okay? यही कहना है आपको.
Okay.
Reconsider.
Achha. Okay, thank you. That sounds very positive. I will let it know.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
No worries. Bye.
So we were talking about Venus.
Yes.
So let's start with the Karak. Venus किसका कारक है?
Venus काफी चीजों का कारक है. Venus, when we say कारक, whether it is you, me, listeners of this show, whoever be the case, हम सबका कारक same होता है. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Venus is karak. For a man, it's wife. In general, for a couple, it is procreation, kids. It is karak for senses, karak for happiness, karak for luxury, karak for fulfillment. Venus is the karak for wife's parents, for that matter.
Oh.
Yeah. Venus is also the karak for luxuries that you may have, like purses, wallets, fine clothing,
The branded stuff.
art galleries.
Oh.
So these are Venus in चीजों का कारक होता है. When we see a very strong Venus, especially sitting in the third house, then we can say कि इनको इनकी hobbies पे ही career focus होगा. Venus is also related directly or indirectly with real estate. जितने real estate brokers होते हैं, they could be affiliated or tied, some tied with Venus or Moon or Saturn. तो ये कारक है Venus का. Venus is a watery planet. I don't know what else to say. If you look at Venus through a telescope, which I have done, it doesn't appear to be very exciting. It's actually a very hot planet. It's hotter than Mercury.
Yeah.
You cannot live on Venus. But Venus makes your life happy. तो इन चीजों का कारक होता है Venus. People who deal with wine. I know somebody does a show here who also does wine, and they have their own, sort of banquet hall or
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
That is all tied in with Venus. Venus
Okay.
deals with wine. Venus deals with banquet hall. Venus deals with coming on radio. So see, this is
Wow.
this is what Venus would do to you. It will
Perfectly
propel you.
aligned. Yeah.
Actors के लिए Venus strong होता है. So कारक जो होता है, this is everything to do with luxury. Anything that you think is fine life, fine style is Venus. अगर Venus आपका ज़्यादा strong हो in a man's chart, and let's say it is sitting in the 11th house, you may have multiple relationships. If it is extremely strong in the 12th house, you may have a loss of partner and marriage, and loss of partner and marriage.
Oh.
That's what Venus can do, because he gives you more of things that that are desired. वो खत्म नहीं होता. राहु के साथ आ गया तो it's endless.
So that's why we want a perfectly balanced, just the right amount.
And I think everybody's chart is perfectly balanced. Trust me. वो हमको लगता है कि हमारी लाइफ में hardships है. But what about the easy things?
What easy things?
लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ तो easy होता है ना सबके लिए.
Right.
You don't appreciate the
You
easy
get
things.
good family,
Good parents,
good
good
friends.
education,
Yes, a
कुछ
place
तक-
to live,
then good health.
good health.
It starts with that.
Top. Yes, exactly.
Good mental health.
Yes.
Yes.
So we have a caller waiting. Let's quickly take the
Sure.
call. Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
Hello. I'm okay, sir. How are you?
I am doing very well.
Very good. That's a good news. My name is Vipan,
Okay.
and my date of birth is December 18, 1941. वो 17 का रात हो जाती है ना,
हाँ जी.
फिर 17 की रात के 12 बजने के बाद 18 हो जाता है 1:30 a.m.
Okay.
पटियाला.
Okay. So you're born on Thursday.
Yes, you're right. And धनु राशि पता नहीं क्या कहते हैं उसमें, जिस पंडित ने बनाई थी जन्म पत्री उसमें.
Sagittarius?
Yeah.
I was too young to be your pandit that time. अच्छा ठीक है. तो December 18th, 1941, 1:30 at night in Punjab,
AM.
पटियाला, India.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, तो आपकी कुंडली तो बनी है. आपका क्या क्वेश्चन है?
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि मेरी सेहत कैसी है आगे के लिए, कब जाना है ऊपर?
हम वो आंसर नहीं देंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
तो वैसे फिगर आउट तो आप कर सकते हैं, ऐसी बात तो नहीं है.
फायदा क्या है उसका? What is the benefit of telling you that?
और थोड़ा सा पता होता है कि भैया अभी जाना है, चलो अपने काम कुम खत्म कर लिया और क्या है.
नहीं, वो आंसर यहाँ तो मिलेगा नहीं आपको हमसे. एंड क्वाइट फ्रैंकली, लाइफ, आपकी लाइफ अच्छी निकली है अब तक? अच्छी निकली है ना?
हाँ हाँ.
तो जो अच्छा टाइम है उसको थोड़ा और स्पेंड कीजिए. आई ऑलवेज टेल, जब लाइफ में ऐसी क्या चीज थी जो आपने की नहीं, जो आपको करनी थी? घूमना था, चैरिटी करनी थी, लोगों से गपशप मारनी थी, क्या ऐसी चीज थी जो बच गई है? वो क्यों नहीं करते हो?
ये बात ठीक है आपकी.
बिकॉज जब आप वो करना स्टार्ट करोगे फिर आप मुझे कॉल करके बोलोगे भाई टाइम और बताइए कितना बचा है. सी, लाइफ हैज टू बी अप्रिशिएटेड. आपकी कुंडली में शनि बैठ गया 8वें घर में.
हाँ जी.
वो लंबी लाइफ देता है.
वो लंबी लाइफ तो देता है, पर तकलीफें भी देता रहता है, थोड़ा थोड़ा छेड़ता रहता है वो.
आप 1941 में बॉर्न हो तो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. आपने काफी कुछ देखा है. आपने देखा है इंडिपेंडेंस, देखा है आपने,
बहुत कुछ देखा.
टेक्निकल ट्रांजिशन देखा है आपने, टीवी, यू नो, you've seen so much more. I wish I had seen so much.
मैं आपको आज अपनी ब्लेसिंग देता हूँ.
Thank you so much.
आप अभी 82 ईयर से ज्यादा साल जिए.
आई विश, थैंक यू सो मच, क्योंकि हमें बहुत कुछ करना है लाइफ में. लेकिन ऐसे यू नो, आपका केतु जो छठे घर में बैठा है थोड़ा डाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम देता है, थोड़ी बीमारी. बट लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू, अब जो दशा चल रही है जुपिटर मर्क्यूरी की, राइट, वो दशा अच्छी है आपकी. वो अच्छी दशा है. हाँ, इसके बाद जो जुपिटर केतु दशा आता है उसमें थोड़ा सेहत का ध्यान रखना, स्टार्टिंग जुलाई 2024 टू जून 2025.
ओ भाई, एक साल.
उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट दशा आएगी वो तो बहुत ही अच्छी है.
वो वहां तक तो पता नहीं.
नहीं नहीं, मुझे पता है. आई कैन सी हियर कि जैसे आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा था, आई कैन अश्योर यू कि आप 5 साल बाद भी फोन कर सकते हो. ओके, गारंटीड.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. गॉड ब्लेस.
थैंक यू सो मच.
मैंने एक बात, छोटी सी बात थी मेरे,
हाँ जी.
कि मेरे पास है ना वो हर्निया है.
ओके.
वो हर्निया जो है वो टेस्टिकल्स में चला गया है. उसने वहां पर स्ट्रेंगलिंग कर दिया है. तो वो शुड आई गेट ऑपरेटेड अपॉन और नॉट?
सो आई
ठीक रहेगा.
आई थिंक मेडिकल साइंस ने इतनी तरक्की की है कि दिस इज समथिंग जो डॉक्टर ही ट्रीट कर सकता है, क्योंकि एस्ट्रोलॉजी इज एन ओपिनियन बेस्ड साइंस. हमने स्टडी तो बहुत की है लेकिन हम अपना ओपिनियन देते हैं. लेकिन जब आप मेडिकल डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, दे हैव विजुअल डेटा इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम. इनके इतने सारे टेस्ट कर देते हैं. तो माय सजेशन इज आप जाइए डॉक्टर के पास, गेट योरसेल्फ ट्रीटेड, इट विल बी बेटर फॉर यू. बिकॉज जुलाई 2024 में आई टोल्ड यू सेहत थोड़ी खराब होगी, इट कुड बी रिलेटेड टू दैट. तो प्लीज गो मेडिकल. And for all the listeners who listen, if you have a health related question, you must go to a doctor.
ना डॉक्टर पर तो गया हूँ, वो कहते हैं वे चलो आ जाओ फटाफट ऑपरेशन कर देते हैं, ये कर दें. पर आई डू नॉट हैव कॉन्फिडेंस भी उनको सारे कर भी देंगे, ठीक है, मारी जाऊंगा वहां पर.
आप हमारे ऑफिस में फोन कीजिए, we'll talk to you, don't worry about that, we'll help you. आप and you can always take second opinion, okay?
Okay. And आजकल there is something going on. Everything I do is getting very slowly, very takes a long time.
Maybe आपकी पेशेंस थोड़ी कम हो रही है.
अच्छा.
हो सकता है. अच्छा फेस चल रहा है लाइफ का, बहुत अच्छा फेस चल रहा है, डोंट वरी. अच्छा चल रहा है, अच्छा चलने दो. इसके बाद जो फेज आएगा वो तो और भी बेटर है. 2025 जून से लेके 2028 फरवरी तक बहुत अच्छा है. यू विल बी हैप्पी.
अच्छा.
I would hate to stop this great conversation, but there are callers waiting. Sorry to interrupt.
I know. I am very thankful to you. मैंने ब्लेसिंग दे दी हैं. भगवान सुनेगा मेरी बातें. चलो ठीक है.
Thank you so much. आप डॉक्टर भाटिया को डायरेक्टली कॉल कर सकते हैं 408-639-5300 पे. We have another caller waiting.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hello. Oh, there's an ambulance or something. Okay. Can I ask?
Yeah, we live in a city.
Well, apparently
okay.
the radio जो studio है ना, that is very close to the main road. So
Okay.
it's done for a reason. जब show खत्म होता है, they want us to leave early.
No, it is for
okay.
a reason that we should be as close as the real life.
अच्छा. Okay. How can I help you? What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Sam. I just wanted to understand Galeka Mandi with respect to my horoscope. There is no question. I think I just wanted to know what is Galeka Mandi in my horoscope.
Okay, let's start with your
What
date.
should I watch for something? 29th November 74.
29th November
74.
74. So you're born on Friday. जब गलिका मंडी पढ़ना है, we must know your date of birth and the time of birth and
Yes.
day of birth. Okay.
Time of birth is 2:20 a.m.
3 or 2?
2:20. 2:20.
2:20 a.m. Okay. And place
And
of
then
birth?
8th of place at Chennai.
Okay, Chennai. So you're born on Friday, correct?
Correct. Thursday night, Friday morning. Correct.
Friday morning. Galika Mandi are sitting where? In your ascendant.
Oh, okay. Is that good or bad or?
Galika Mandi become, so let's understand Galika Mandi. They will cause destruction in the house they sit. They will cause damage to the planet that owns them. Their energy will also go with where the owner sits. In your case, Mercury is the owner and he's sitting where? In the third house.
Third house.
Okay. But rule of astrology is Galika Mandi, if they are sitting in 3, 6, 8 or 11, 10 or 11, they actually become positive. Okay. Galika Mandi become difficult when they are aspected by both Saturn and Mars, unless Saturn and Mars are ascendants, because you already have astrology knowledge. Wherever the ascendant gives aspect, that house is always protected. Now last thing, for Galika Mandi to be powerless, Lord of ascendant or Lord of day of birth have to be well placed. So come back to your birth chart. You are born on Friday. What is the Lord of Friday? Venus.
Mhm.
How do you think Venus is placed in your chart? He is placed in Scorpio. He is placed in a friendly sign, right? Because Scorpio is owned by Jupiter and Venus is, for Venus, Jupiter happens to be neutral. From Jupiter, he is, 10 houses away. But how is your ascendant Lord placed? Mercury. He is also placed in a friendly sign. Correct? Navamsh, maybe he is sitting in the sign of Cancer. So Galika Mandi will have an impact on you, but minimum. Another thing to remember, Galika Mandi impacts when the Dasha comes. Your Galika Mandi Dasha is going to come in 2032. So you don't worry so much about it. Agar aayega bhi, it's going to be minor effect on you. Minor effect on what? On your health, because it is your ascendant on your friend circle, not anything else.
It's a 2032, doctor?
2032 to 2034. Those 2 years, it's going to
okay.
impact your health and your friend circle or your younger siblings. Remember that. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe next time you call, I'll ask you some questions. Maybe you can educate me a little. Okay.
Sure.
Have a good one. Bye.
So Venus, if you see somebody's chart with a strong Venus, what is your suggestion for that person? Like if I ask in terms of profession,
Actor,
okay,
model, real estate broker, musician, writer, drama, poet, diplomat.
okay,
रियल एस्टेट ब्रोकर तक बोल दिया था. Somebody dealing with construction engineering, renting out luxury properties, owning art galleries, owning wine bars, anything to do with luxury, go follow if your Venus is strong.
and I see even art, like
Absolutely. I said
everything beautiful, basically.
everything beautiful, poetries, everything. You want to be a cosmetic surgeon, you must definitely have Mars and Moon and a strong Venus.
Oh,
Mars is surgery, Moon is more to do with medicine, and Venus has to do with beauty.
The
So
beautifying,
plastic
yeah.
surgery could be
the
dealt-
combination,
the combination.
of Mars,
Same
Moon,
way.
Venus.
Yeah, same way income tax, wealth, and benefits that you will get from the IRS if Saturn is tied to Venus. So these are good professions for Venus. Not everybody can be an actor. Not everybody can be a model, right? But that's what makes you who you are, Venus.
Right.
I have a friend who has a boat rental business, yacht rental business in Florida. And
Strong Venus.
it's a strong Venus. That's what we told him. I said, you must start a boat rental business. And he said, why boat rental? I said, well, Saturn is in 7th. Saturn is a heavy planet. 7th mein water aata hai. Your Venus is strong. Go rent boats. You're living in Florida. He's making good money. He's happy. He's content. See, these are things you have to understand. Subtle
and,
things.
And these are the combinations only an expert can give you.
I think it takes time. It takes time. So there are some astrologers who will critically claim themselves as God gifted. I am not a God gifted astrologer. In fact, हमने हमेशा सोचा है कि those who are God gifted are God gifted. Let's start with that. A person who's God gifted is somebody who is like a messenger of God. Somebody who's like a priest, in my opinion. Somebody who spends their whole life improving humanity. These are God gifted people. Knowledge God gift नहीं आती. जिन्होंने astrology लिखा है, you know, we call it Brigu Saral Paditi. He is not God gifted. Astrology takes years of training, years of teaching, years of practice. So calling yourself God gifted is just wrong. You are actually downplaying everybody's hard works and trying to praise yourself. तो God gifted नहीं होता कोई. जो होता है वो अपने hard work से होते हैं, experience से होते हैं.
जी.
Right? That's what I'm trying to say. Be careful who you go to. The astrologer you go to must have a good, thorough understanding. Astrology requires, again, what? It requires a detailed understanding of your chart, interpretation of the planets, and the ability to communicate correctly, articulate not what you want to hear, but what the facts are, how they will spell out and how we can improve your life. हर एक life improve हो सकती है. आपकी life भी improve हो सकती है. But you have to at least take one step. You must at least appreciate what you have and say, yes, it is time for me to improve myself. And then call somebody, whether it is me or whether it is somebody else. एक छोटी सी call है. It's direction helping you in life. You'll be surprised how far you go with the right person. There are people who are sick. They don't go to a doctor for years. Then one fine day they go and the doctor says, oh, you just need one steroid shot
Oh,
and your pain is going to go. And that's all it takes.
and then you feel like, why I haven't seen a doctor in years.
Exactly. And हमारे में वो retrograde शनि कहते हैं. He's going to delay things in your life. देगा.
Okay.
So please, listeners, understand, your life can be improved. Whether you want to improve it with us or you want to improve it yourself, that is up to you. You can improve it yourself also. First, wake up, get the confidence, take action and say, yes, I can do this. And if you need help, come to us. We are here to help you.
And it's very easy to connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia. आप डायरेक्टली कॉल कर सकते हैं 408-639-5300 पे. Once again, the number is 408-639-5300, or you can write to him info@saketbhatia.com. So strong Venus की बात कर ली हमने. What about people with weak Venus?
देखिए, if you're born with a weak Venus, there's not much we can do, right? We can try some remedies to make the Venus better. अभी astrology में gemstones चलते हैं. We always tell for sun there is ruby, for moon there is pearl. For Venus we use diamond.
Oh.
But diamonds also in astrology हम कहते हैं there should be no more than 1 or 2 carats. It's more than enough.
Okay.
It's not required to have more. But another alternate equally powerful treatment, since Venus is a benefic, a good planet, is to simply go to a temple. Okay, go to a temple, go to a gurdwara, go to any place you visit, go on a Friday before sunrise and donate one of the following: ghee, camphor, curds, rice, sugar, white cloth, white flowers, or cow's milk. Again, ghee, camphor, curd, rice, sugar, white cloth, white flour, or milk. Anything white, if you donate, it tends to increase the performance of Venus, and you have to do that every Friday. These are not hard things
Before
to do.
sunrise.
These are not hard things to do
No,
at all.
not at all.
Also, another Lal Kitab hota hai, which I don't practice.
Okay.
Lal Kitab has associated remedies in astrology. Many people believe in it, and I'm not the judge to say whether they're right or wrong, but in that they have more, human-based remedies. For example, agar Shani aapka weak hai, you can go donate to blind people, right? Because that's going to help you
Right.
with Shani. It's a blind planet, right? So with Venus, uska remedy is be nice to your wife.
See.
So for all the listeners out there,
Make your Venus strong.
make your Venus strong, be nice to your wife, be happy with your wife. Your wife is Venus.
Yes.
And जैसे आप अपनी wife से अच्छे रहोगे, you'll have better relations. What will happen? You'll be more successful because you'll be happy.
See,
So-
I'm officially loving this episode.
And,
This
and
is
we-
my favorite.
And she has not paid me to say this.
Yes, no, I can't pay you. We are a team. So we just have 5 more minutes, and I would really want to listen to all those famous personalities we were about to talk.
Unfortunately, famous personalities की है नहीं किताब हमारे पास आज.
Oh, okay.
We did not make the famous personalities for Moon or Venus. We will at some point of time. Maybe in the next episode when we
Yes.
talk, we'll talk about Venus famous personalities, but we want to give it more time. What we want to do is, जैसे जैसे लोग call करते हैं, we want to study their Venus and tell them how they need to improve their Venus or what they should do, since this is a Venus-based show, right? Then we can move on to the next planets like Saturn and finally Rahu and Ketu. But Venus can also be associated, since Venus gives too much of anything, right?
Right.
अगर Venus Mars के साथ बैठ जाए in a earth sign, what is Mars? Mars represents the male. Venus represents the female.
Men are from Mars, women are from Venus.
If these two signs combine in an earth sign, then they cause a lot of passion, a lot of friction in the relationship. और अगर 6 sign में आ गया in your kundli, then it makes the person go have extramarital affairs outside of marriage, and not one, not two, but innumerable. Innumerable.
Okay.
This can become a serious disease for some people.
Oh,
So this Venus-Mars combination in the 6th house in the earth sign has to be carefully watched. If Venus is too strong in a man, he may start exhibiting feminine characteristics.
okay.
That happens. If Mars is too strong in a woman, she could be aggressive, she could be very bold, she could be very frontal, ready to fight. So know those characteristics. When people come and visit us, the first thing we do is we create this mental map by just looking at the chart in our head, and we say, okay, this is how this person's going to be. And then we start analyzing, asking you questions. Venus can give you too much of something, it will give you diabetes for that matter. Too much sugar. You could indulge in that. जो planet 11वें घर में बैठता है वो strong हो जाता है. If you have Venus in the 11th house, you're going to be more and more content over time. You're going to be wiser and appreciate things you have in life. You're going to get more money. Yes, you could also get more partners, but depends on what you want in life. Right?
Yes.
So Venus can also cause diseases. Right? Diabetes तो एक चीज है, but Venus can also cause kidney stones, cataract. Venus can cause some urinary diseases in people. In fact, that gentleman who called, he was running the Venus Dasha. So he has to be careful about the Venus stuff. For women, it can cause, if Venus is very weak, it can cause delay in child, probably not even having children, and some other issues in women. But generally, anything to do with bladder is related to Venus.
Venus. Okay.
It's a watery planet.
Right. Totally
So-
makes sense.
So, Venus again, planet of happiness, planets of fulfillment. Venus के friends कौन है? Saturn and Mercury. What is Mercury? The planet of business. What is Saturn? The business planet of hard work.
Yeah.
Mercury is also the planet of speech. So
Right.
remember, if you have a strong Venus or you want to be content in life, you have to work hard and you have to speak your mind out. So I always tell people in life, जो आपको करना है लाइफ में कीजिए. You're only going to live this life once. Make the best of it. Get fulfillment, get contentment. Be happy. Make your Venus strong. ये remedies तो बहुत ही easy थी. Go to a temple, go to a gurdwara, go to a church and just donate something white.
Yeah.
You will improve your Venus. Maybe not today, it will take time, but improve हो जाएगा. If you still have questions, difficulties, call us. So with that, I am done.
Thank you so much for wrapping it up. Listeners, if you have more questions regarding astrology or numerology, Dr. Saket Bhatia is an expert in both. 408-639-5300 is the direct number. You can contact him, 408-639-5300. Do visit his website, saketbhatia.com for all the information, or write to him, info@saketbhatia.com. With that, thank you so much once again, and I'll see you next Tuesday.
Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi, KZDG 1550 AM, San Francisco and the entire Bay Area.
The views, opinions, and statements expressed in the preceding program reflect views of the program contributors and do not necessarily reflect the views of Fremont Broadcasting, LLC, its management, or its sponsors.